JB Mobile, go and get your bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Imani Marie. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I've been gone for a long time. But I'm back and better, so I'm hoping that, you know, that gone for a long time stuff don't happen again. It shouldn't, you know, it shouldn't, but life is life. My lips look ashy, but I promise they're not. So today is November 22nd, the day before Thanksgiving and 2 days before your girl birthday. I'm not even excited, I ain't gonna lie. I was excited, but once my plans didn't go as planned, I lost all enthusiasm to even do anything for my birthday. So, FedEx delivered my outfit to the wrong door. What else? Ooh, cause baby, look here. FedEx delivered my outfit to the wrong door. I still have to color my wig and stuff, and that's another thing. If y'all want to see how I color my wigs and how I install them, just let me know below. Because I am going to record it, but I'm not going to post it if you know you guys not interested, because it is a lot of videos out here of people doing that already. It's like 5 something right now, and I'm just now getting out the house. I had a late start, so I woke up and I washed my hair and stuff, and you know, I was trying to be on top of it, because the girl that's braiding my hair, doing my braid down, she said in the morning, but she ended up having something to do, so I ended up laying back down. And yeah, I didn't realize how sleepy I was until I laid back down, and I was knocked out. I set my alarm, didn't hear that. It was crazy. But while I was out doing that, she texted me and said that she was ready. So boom, that was perfect. Now I'm headed there to get my hair braided down. It shouldn't take long at all. She's fast as hell. I'm just gonna go home and I'm gonna just get ready for Thanksgiving and prep and stuff. And this is, what are you doing? Video basically is going to be my get ready with me for Thanksgiving type of vlog, and then I'm gonna come right back with another video on Friday for like the spend my birthday with me vlog from Friday to Sunday. And then I'm gonna do, like I said, the install video of the wig I'm wearing for my birthday, if y'all wanted to see that as well. So I got a lot of videos that I got planned and coming up, so I should be busy. I have a computer now. That was the main reason why I stopped vlogging as much, because I didn't have a computer, and I'm just used to what I'm used to, and editing your videos on just anything or trying to do it on your phone, it's hectic. So I really couldn't focus really on doing it how I wanted to do it, so I just stopped. But I got a MacBook now. I'm aiming for a camera, and yeah, y'all, we lit. We real lit. One fun fact about Imani Marie: I don't eat hamburgers. I do not. Now I eat ground beef, but I don't like hamburgers. It's just me. It's just who I am. Don't judge. So I'm a big fan of like all the kid movies growing up, Good Burger and The Grinch. So I was super excited when I found out that they decided to make a movie, A Good Burger 2, and it actually comes out today. I don't know if y'all heard, but Arby's came out with a Good Burger meal, and I'm just so geeked about it. But I don't eat hamburgers, so it's like, why are you geeked about it? But I'm freaking geeked. Like, I'm geeked about it. And basically, it's a Good Burger. It's the Good Burger sauce. It's the special sauce. It's a strawberry milkshake, and it's curly fries. So because I don't eat burgers, but my boyfriend eats everything, I got him a burger, and we just gonna watch a Good Burger when I get back and chill for real, because we're stuffing our faces tomorrow, and it's only Tuesday or Wednesday, so it's not really, it's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday, so it's not really much to do, and watching that would be just the highlight of my life. I'm actually pulling up to the girl's house who's braiding my hair, and I'm not exactly sure where I'm pulling up to, so I'm gonna just get back with y'all when I get back in the car. Let's go! He's a dude, she's a dude, 'cause we're all dudes. Hey! So we finally done watching Good Burger. It was really, really good. He didn't like it in the beginning because he felt like I'm always losing a nose ring, y'all. Hold on. I swear my nose rings never stay in my nose. It's pretty fucking irritating. He liked Good Burger or whatever. I liked it a lot. At first in the beginning he didn't like it. He thought it was stupid and it didn't have a plot, but I seen the plot from the first minute of it, so I knew I was gonna like it. I knew it was going to be good, and then he ended up coming back around. Like, oh yeah, this is real good. I like it. Now I can show y'all what I got from the hair store. I got a stocking cap for HD. I got some lashes, of course, for Thanksgiving and probably my birthday. I don't know. I might buy some more by then. Shampoo and conditioner for my wigs that I'm about to color. Then I bought some hair dye. This is Adore 72 Paprika. So I got a wig that I was wearing for forever. It was a 360 blonde wig. It started off like that, and then I put soft locks on it, and it ended up being like that, and then I wore a blonde for a minute, cut some bangs in it like that, and then I decided to color it orange. So that's what that is. And this is the color that I will be coloring my birthday wig, Powder Blue, baby. I'm so excited to color this. But I got 3 bottles of that. And I got some lace glue, so that's about it. Right now, I'm about to get started on recoloring the orange wig, because that's the wig that I'm about to be wearing for Thanksgiving. And I want that to be like air dry by the time I wake up to put it out. I don't want to have to blow dry it out. But other than that, I don't have anything else going on tonight. I don't think that I am gonna color my birthday wig tonight, just because it's just too much. I'll probably color it tomorrow night when I get home. I really don't feel like coloring 2 weeks. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Imani Marie here. And as usual, I didn't do nothing I said I was gonna do, but this is the way the wig turned out. This wig is super old, y'all, so I really don't got much to say about it, but this is how the wig turned out. That's Lele. Say hey. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We in her room right now. But this is how the wig ended up turning out after I put the paprika color on it. And it is currently, what time is it? Like 3:50. It's like 3:50. And I'm at my auntie's house right now, eating a little bit, and then I'm gonna drive around my little sister, do a little, seeing what I can see, because it's actually pretty funny where I'm from on Thanksgiving. It gets pretty lit after food is ate. Yeah, I don't have much that is going on. I'll definitely insert some clips in this video as my day go on, show y'all basically what I got into and what I did, and show y'all how this outfit looks, because I got this from Fashion Nova. And I'm kind of upset. Like, I like the outfit, but I feel like it could have been way better quality, because the stitching, like, I'll show y'all in a clip or something, but the stitching on it, I feel like it ripped or something. I'm not sure, and I know I'm not too big for this outfit, so the quality is cheap. That's what that means. The quality is cheap. But I like Fashion Nova. To check in and give y'all a little intro for today, because like I said, this was a Thanksgiving vlog, and I didn't do no vlogging, not even me getting dressed, but I got dressed in a rush, so yeah, barely got to press my hair out. So I could give y'all a better look of the outfit. But this is what I was talking about, y'all. Right here. It's not noticeable, but I don't like it. Currently at my mom's house, getting my feet done for my birthday. Yes, I'm hella last minute. My little sister doing my feet. Yeah. And then I'll probably just go home and eat the food that I packed up because I didn't eat anything on Thanksgiving but some rolls, some homemade rolls my grandma made. I didn't get much videos. I was gonna get a video at the other house that I went to, but yeah, that went left. I didn't do that either. So I'll just show you my plate that I packed. It's not a full Thanksgiving. It's not gonna probably give the vibes of Thanksgiving because I'm a picky eater, but I'll show y'all some of the stuff that I packed up when I was at my aunt's house. And I was right into it. I'll show y'all my feet when she's done.
Okay. Where your shot, nigga? I just had it. Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
No, wait.
So y'all, it is currently like 12 in the morning. I came home. I got a super headache. I don't know if it was from the liquor I was drinking. I don't know, but I got a super headache and I had to lay down for a minute. But I enjoyed my Thanksgiving and my pre-birthday celebration turn up. Gonna be definitely doing more this weekend, and I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all in the next video. So I woke up to this birthday wall thanks to my mama. Shout out to my mama. And then, of course, the only person that touched my nails is my little sister. So shout out to her for these bomb-ass press-ons. I love them. That's my little sister right there on Friday night on the birthday wall. And then this is us when we went to the club, y'all. Notice she was sick. Like, she was sick as a dog. But you wouldn't think so, because what? Her song came on. Y'all, we was wildin'. Like, I don't even remember half of these videos. I don't even, yeah. Liquor is something else. That's all I can say. I was just there at that point, y'all. Like, I was beyond lit. I probably was on my 4th drink. It was definitely my birthday by then. It was like 12 in the morning. So yeah, I really just started drinking, so I couldn't hold it no more. I was feeling myself, you know. I was there with my little sister, my man, and some other people. But I really did have fun. If y'all want to see where I got this outfit from, go on my Instagram. But like I told y'all, this is Saturday. Look at this. It was raining and snowing all day. They didn't stop shit. What? I love a hoe that like the egg. I can get. That how it sound when I hit your hoe. So after the slaps, I finally pull up to my auntie house, and this is her little salon she got going on in her basement. Real cute. I decided to get a really cute throwback hairstyle, and this is the hairstyle. I loved it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I love the color and everything. This is how the outfit looked, a little pre-game before we went out, you know.
813 Sean, slow this.
And this is just a better view of my bomb ass hair. So it's a couple of days later, y'all. It's Monday the 27th. I had so much fun for my birthday. Like, I really did. I didn't care about the snow. I didn't care about none of that. Because it's like that every year for my birthday. So come prepared. Yeah, I had a big hangover. A very big hangover. Because I don't have really anything I'm doing today. But I did want to close this video out properly, so I can get right back in the bed. This is your girl, Imani Marie. And I'm glad that you watched this video of me thus far. If you want to tell me happy birthday, it is never too late. Put a black heart in the comments so I can know you made it this far and you care about me. You tell me happy birthday, you know? It's your girl, Imani Marie. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post videos. I will talk to y'all later. I'm about to give me some breakfast maybe and then go back to bed. I think that's what we're gonna do, y'all.
JB Mobile, go and get your bag.